As producers, we all love different music genres. For me personally, I've always loved R&B, but at the same time, Afrobeat is one of my biggest inspirations. So today I thought, why not combine both worlds? In this video, I'm gonna start by creating a smooth R&B vibe, the corporation, the melodies, the emotions, the feelings, and then later I will bring the Afrobeat bounce to it. And at the end of the video, we'll have a complete Afro R&B instrument also. Let's have some fun. Start by creating our corporation first. I have my tempo set at 88 and I'm gonna use this synth key. That sound like this. And when you're creating R&B, it's better to use 7th or 9th chord. Let's start with, I think, this one right there. Okay, let's make this shorter, and then maybe we go to D sharp. You see, so easy. This is our corporation, and then we comment B, and then we make it longer. And another thing we can do, we can copy the low note, so we can have them. Let's make them lower. Okay, now let's call this one key love, the same name. And then one thing we can do is like we write it to a mixer track, and then we use an EQ, so we move the frequency that we don't want. This sounds better with the EQ on it. See? Now we're going to try to achieve the full R&B feel. So we're going to layer more instrument. Let's say we clone this one, and then we're gonna try to find preset that sounds good, and then that we can combine with this one. Okay, this one sounds good. Command C, Command V, and okay, let's call this one our synth. Okay, I want to process it. Let's first add an EQ. Make it more interesting. We can add the ghost beat, and then we go to repeater, and then we use the sidechain A. You see, and then now when we combine both, for this, I'm using only Analog Lab. Analog Lab is one of the plugins that I'm giving away for my 100k giveaway. So it is almost time now that I announce the winner. If you want to participate in the giveaway, don't forget to go on the video that I drop and then comment, and you may have a chance to win one of those. Comment C, comment V. That sounds good now, and we can try to find some melody. Yeah, okay, I think we're gonna try starting with this. And then we can duplicate this, and then we make some change right here. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! That's fine. Okay, now we're gonna try to find a lead sound. I think I save a preset. I think this one. Okay, we can do it like and then now we can add a synth bass. Normally, you know, with R&B you need some deep bass that gonna bring this soul on your instrumental. And I think I'm gonna go again with analog grab V, and then we used this same 3 AM sound back and use this as our bass. We can use the low note on this corporation that we created earlier, and we pass it here, and then let's transpose. Maybe we drop it right there. This is gonna be that sounds nice. Now we can start with those on our in our mixer track. Let's do this. Remove those. And now what we're gonna do, we're going to create a bus for them. We route them to this right there. Route to this track only, and then we call this one our melody all music. So now to really get the feeling that we want, we can use the sound shifter from wave, and then we're gonna try to transpose 1 or 2 octave down, to semitone down. One more. It's fire. I love it. I think I want. Guys, now we're going to try to bring in some vocal chop. I am gonna try to find a complete R&B vocal on Splice, and then I can try to implement it in our mix, and then after we're gonna start by adding Afrobeat element. Let me go to Splice and then try to find some element and then get back to y'all. Find a bunch of crazy samples on Splice, and the first one I'm gonna use is this one right there. So one thing we're gonna do is like trying to put it on time. Always activate stretch, sorry, and then we can put it 4 bars, and then now let's see if it's on time. Sorry, oh damn me. Alright, this is track 16. We can transpose them, send them directly to track 16, and then after we create track, and then remember we were on the key of D sharp, and this one is on A sharp. That means 500 plus 500. It's 500. I think this one right there is a little bit too fast. We can drag this right there, and then boom right there. Okay, this one, let's put it at the beginning, very beginning, so it can create some tension when the bar start. When we start on the first bar, and then we have some tension that bring more emotion. And this one is on B minor. That means B minor 1 2 3 4. That means 400 plus 400. and then we put this on stretch 2, and we put it on pattern 16. Sounds good. We're going to create different track for them and then add more effect on them, but now I want them to be in the same key. Maybe we only use this part right there. Okay, let's jump to the Afrobeat part right now. I think I'm gonna go find some drum loop. I wanna use this right there and like drag it here. Let's see. Okay, I think now the thing that I think we can add is like adding another bass, a bass that sound more Afrobeat, you know, something that is given some groove, a bass that can give us some groove, and also we can combine it with a log drum, so we can try to find this kind of whiskey type vibe terms. When we are thinking about Afro R&B, we can think of whiskey, Davido, Summer Walker. We can think to about Tiana Taylor, Chris Brown. Those collaboration is something that can guide us. So if I'm thinking about whiskey, I can add some log drum that brings some crazy vibe to the instrumental. That's what I think I should do now. I'm using Trillion. I'm gonna try to find a bass that sound more natural. Okay, we have to put this one in 16 too. Nice, I love it. Now I think I'm gonna add a log drum. Let's say we go to synth classic, the float is extend, and then we use that log drum right there. We put it to pattern 16 again. Okay, let's move there. Okay, we can add those two right there, three. We only play 3 notes and then I think we're good to go. The last thing I'm gonna do is adding another instrument. Let's say we clone this right there. We can clone any of them actually, and then let's go to, I think I saved a keyboard the last. Okay, we cannot put it in 6. Let's put it in 16 instead. Okay, now we are gonna, okay, let's copy the same chord progression right there, and then we press on Alt S so we can show me. That's crazy. That can be for our let's say that we add another pattern right there and we paste it here, Command V, and then you can easily have this one as one of the pattern for your verse. Let's see, we have this that play right there. So that's it, guys. I think we are done with the instrumental. I am going to take some time, mix it, make it sound good, and then get back to y'all with the final result. And guys, if you want to know how to mix your beat, I drop a lot of tutorial on how to correctly mix your instrumental. So yeah, let me do that and then get back to y'all. Guys, here's the final result that we have. I just make sure that I want everything in on my mixer, and then I didn't do too much on them. Also right there, I just add this calm down right there. And then I have this from the Afro Drum Kit Volume 1. And then that's it. And I just make sure that everything sound level, everything sound clear and nice. And then we have this crazy fire instrumental that I'm gonna let you enjoy now. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Samy Beatz, and see you in the next one.